Hi guys, I'm Dr.Rajat and with me I have Dr. Rohit. He's an endodontist practicing in Fortis and he has just joined the Master Clinical Implants training. First of all, congratulations for joining the course, and I'm very happy that you've concluded your first implant surgery today. How was your whole experience? You have assisted me with I think of one full mouth implant surgery. We did quite a bit of impactions and prosthetic rehabilitation of few cases. You know, we started our implant training with prosthetics, and prosthetic in implants is very, very crucial, very important. So our live patient implants training has been changed, the curriculum has changed. Now we start the training with prosthetics in mind. Yes, Dr. Rohit, what made you to join us first of all, and what made you to join implantology? You are already a very good endodontist and practicing in Fortis, good hospitals, and you've got a good practice. So yeah.
So before joining here, I always thought that I'll be able to do all these surgeries and all. But when I saw the implants, I was not as much experienced, and I didn't have that much of confidence in doing implant. As I've already said you that I refer you, like I have always seen your slideshows, PPTs and all. So I always love all of your works. So I have seen in Google, your works in slideshows, your works in LinkedIn, profile, everywhere. So I love your work and I enjoyed it. And I must say, it's a boon for me.
So, from planning to execution of full mouth implant case, when we replace Roman implants, what it takes to complete a full mouth implant case from planning to execution, what did you think of that?
So I believe a good mentor, that is you, a good team, that is your team, and I think a good hand, which you already have it, and you are bestowing on me.
So it's like we have to plan our cases, we have to then execute them pretty well. So planning and executing your implant journey will be a great success, and I'm very happy that the clinicians are now pushing themselves to greater heights and they want to learn new things. It is just the start. He just placed one implant. He's going to be placing more than around 15 implant surgeries, from bone augmentations to immediate implants, from socket sheet to all-on-4 bone augmentation, placement of grafts. So it's going to be a great journey. We'll be doing approximately around 100 case discussions. So it is a long journey, and I hope that it's going to be a great one for both of us, and I hope it's going to be a great learning experience for both of us. And Dr. Rohit, I am wishing you all the best, and I hope that the implant journey will make your career graph to a greater heights. And I hope that it is going to help you in giving your patients great experience, and I think you are doing really well in your endodontic practice. So endo with implants, like I said, it's something which all the clinicians always feel like doing it. So all the best, and I hope you achieve greater heights with good clinical success. Thanks a lot.